Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing this special edition Aulora Kodenshi pants. This is a exclusive collections. It's made in Japan and has the Malaysia Health Wellness Brand Awards for 2019. Look at the special box. I'm very excited to get this cool grey color. Again, all the box come with storage instruction, fully imported by BE International. When you're buying an Aulora pants, make sure that it comes with all these printings, and again the security seal on both sides of the box. And I'm going to open it right now. And you can see that once it's open, the seal will be broken like this. So be careful not to accept anything which is broken, where the seal is already open, I mean. Inside of the pants, you will see instructions again, how to wear it properly. Proper wearing of Aulora pants with Kodenshi. It comes in 3 languages with some diagram, and it advises you to sit down comfortably before you start wearing it. See, follow the step-by-step instruction. I will have a video later to show you how to wear it. And be careful not to scratch the pants. Recommended to remove all your wings and not have sharp nails. And inside the box, this is the pants. And beware of the washing instructions as well. You are supposed to hand wash it, drip dry, do not bleach, do not tumble, do not iron. There you go, that's the pants. I'll just remove it this way, and here you go. Yep, another set of instructions of how to wear it, and this is in Japanese language. So the translation will be what you see earlier on the box, as well as the washing instructions, which is also inside the box. Okay, and yes, this is cool grey, the new color that is just launched and has been sold out by now. Look at the pants. Wow, it is really nice. It's elastic and it is really comfy, and the material is actually thicker, a little bit thicker than the black classic Aulora pants. And you can see the patterns. Yep, and the back of the pants. Yes, it's really nice. I can't wait to try it. Let's look at my next video on how to wear the Aulora pants, and do look out for the label, the Aulora logo, and the washing instructions icons at the back. Thank you for watching.